Corporate Gift Show! 100 episodes of the Corporate Gift Show! Hey, welcome back to yet another episode of the Corporate Gift Show, where we share a new, innovative, interesting corporate gifting idea every single day. I'm Srikanth Acharya, CEO at OffiNeeds.com, and in today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can go full on eco-friendly. This is the Mega Jute Kit, and I'm going to show you what is there inside that's going to make you feel and be very sustainable and very eco-friendly. Now what this is outside is a jute bag, which is again 100% eco-friendly, 100% biodegradable. But what's there inside it is even cooler. Now this is an envelope made from paper, and it's got a clip here so that you can carry any of your documents. This is a folder, again, if you need to carry any of your documents, keep any contents and all of those kind of things, you can carry this, and it's 100% made from paper and biodegradable. Now inside this is a planter's kit. So when you open this box, it comes with two tiny pots which are made out of the coconut fiber material. It comes with two coco peat discs. So all that you need to do is open up this envelope, take out this coco peat and put it inside and put water in it, and over a period of time it will soak, and the entire pot will be filled with coco peat, and you can put any seeds into that and the plants will start to sprout out of that. Let me show you what's inside this. This is a pack of 9 crayons, but these are 9 crayons. But what is different about these crayons is that they have seeds at the end of every crayon, different kinds of seeds. So once you're done with your painting or with your coloring and all of that, and once the crayon has become really tiny, you can plant this directly into the mud and you will see the sprouts coming out of it. This is a pack of 5 pencils with seeds at the end of it. And this is a pack of 7 pens with seeds at the end of it. That's not all. This is a notebook. Now this notebook, the papers are made from recycled paper, but the cover, the outer cover, has seeds inside them. So what you can do with this is, there are instructions here. So what you can do is you can tear out this sheet, soak it in water, and you'll see small sprouts coming out of these seeds, and then throw it into the sand and into the mud anywhere, and it will turn into small plants. So this is the Mega Jute Kit. Go absolutely eco-friendly, absolutely sustainable, and 100% biodegradable. Grow your own little tiny garden around you with this kit. Don't you think this is a fantastic corporate gifting idea? I hope you liked today's episode. Please like, share and comment below to let us know what you thought of it. Please visit www.thecorporategiftshow.com and follow OffiNeeds on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter and YouTube for a new corporate gifting idea every single day. See you in tomorrow's episode.